Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl Yves once here again. So as you can see from the title, today we are going to make some carrot oil. This is a remake of my carrot oil video. Without wasting much time, let's just get started. So obviously I am going to need some carrots, and I have here two medium-sized carrots. I have cleaned and peeled them. Now I'll get a frying pan, and with the help of a grater, I'll just grate the carrots into it. So after grating all the two medium-sized carrots, this is what I have here. Now I am going to be using some coconut oil. If you prefer to use any other oil, this is up to you. Now, if you want it very concentrated, you have to use less oil. But if you want it more dilute, you have to use more oil. Now, I'll put the pan on very low flame. Remember, you need the low flame. This is going to work very slowly. You should make sure it does not boil. If you realize it's boiling, just put off the fire. So basically, this is going to be on the low flame for about 15 to 20 minutes. And as you can see, the oil is getting infused already. So it's been after 20 minutes and it is ready. So I'll just put off the fire and leave it alone to soak it in some more for about an hour. After an hour, and with the help of a strainer, I'll just strain out the oil. So ladies and gentlemen, this is our carrot oil, and it's so bright and beautiful. As you know, carrot oil has so many great properties. It can be used for the skin, and it can also be used for the hair. This is also edible, so it can be used as a salad dressing. When used on the hair, it helps the hair to retain length and it makes it stronger. So with the help of a funnel, I'll just transfer it into my little bottle. This is very great for your skin, especially if you have blemishes and imperfections. It will even out your skin tone and give you a brighter skin complexion. It will give you that natural glow. Now, if you need to keep this longer, you would have to put in some preservatives, or you can put it in the fridge. Since it's so easy to make, I like to make it in smaller quantities and use it fresh. And I must say, this is also a very great massage oil. So guys, this is it, and I hope you did enjoy this video. I hope you are going to give this a try. If you do, let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed to this beautiful channel, what are you waiting for? Just hit the subscribe button and welcome to this beautiful family. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me a big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.